Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading for your further messages regarding your love life, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages. What resonates you and leave the rest. Else, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Let's start your reading without any further delay. Underneath the deck, you are having Temperance, Knight of Wands, Three of Swords. I'm seeing that here. You are in a breakup with your person. Now you want to make things balance, or maybe you are in a breakup with your person. Now your person wants to make things balance, but this person is showing baby steps. They are taking baby steps. They are taking uh, less action. Their actions are immature now, or maybe this person is not serious this time also. They want balance. They want emotional support from you, because they don't want heartbroken situation. Like, they don't want you to be heartbroken. So this time this person wants uh, to resolve all matter, but this time this person wants to do all things quickly. uh, this person wants to come back. This person is showing you a commitment, offering you a commitment, showing you generosity. They are ready to take all responsibility of this connection, but they want everything in hurry. So maybe if this person is coming back to you for just playing, or they are not serious in this connection again, so they are doing things hurry, because they don't want to give you a time to think about their intentions. So they don't want you to think about their intention. They just want you to make hurry, and they want you to just think that this person is ready to commit to you again. But here I'm saying that you have to be careful, because this person is player, or if it's not, this person is not clear player, and you know their intention. You know that this person have a good intention for you. So you know that this person is coming towards you, and they just want to resolve all matter, whether it's a third party situation. If before there was a third party, now this person is coming back to you by leaving that third party, and now this person wants to build a relationship with you again. They want to take responsibility of this connection, and this time they are offering you a commitment, and they are giving you a balanced relationship, like give and take kind of a relationship. Or if it's like this, if this person is was involved in a third party situation, so this person wants to make things balanced between both of you, like this person and with the third party, and you with you. So this person wants to make things balanced. That's why they are becoming that much burdenized, and they are maybe hiding truth from you, or maybe you know that truth. This can be for some of you, not for all of you. This third party situation, it can be you are the person who is involved in a third party situation, and now you want to make things balanced between both of them, and you want to give both of them. You want to share your emotional support and financial support with both of them. So I have changed location, so that's why your view is like that. So here, I was telling you that if you are, or your person, it can be anyone's energy, it can be your energy, it can be your person's energy. If you or your person is involved in a third party situation, now you people are ready to give both of those people a balanced relationship, or you people want to give um, emotional support or financial support to both of them. That's why it's a burdenizing thing for you. But here I'm seeing that uh, if you people were involved in a third party before, now you want to cut out all third party situation, and now you or your partner ready to take responsibility of this connection again, and now make things balance again in this connection, because maybe that third party person was a player and they did not want to give you the emotional support. They just want physical relationships. That's why you people want to cut out this third party and now ready to give the your previous person with whom you feel your love and emotional support and connection together. Now you are ready to give this person a balanced relationship, and you are ready to take responsibility of this connection, whether it's you or your person. But things are getting changing quickly. If you want to come back to your past person, this time you just want all things in a hurry. Or if your person wants to come back to you, this person wants all things in a hurry. So Pisces, that was your rating. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.